So this is an example of a customer where they were running into budget constraints. They couldn't manage. They're having challenges with their cash flow, all of those sorts of things, and storage was costing them $1.5 million per year. Now, post Lucidity, it's going to cost them somewhere between 750 and 1 million per year. And the delta on that is really depends on how many more workloads they end up migrating into the cloud. Okay, it's not that you know what I mean. As they add more, there's going to be some flexibility, increases as they add more applications in and whatnot, right? And then the operational efficiency, it was costing them 100 days of FTE effort to manage this, right? So it's almost a third of a person's time just managing this. You got your DevOps time, and imagine the challenges of, we had an outage and it was due to storage and, those sorts of things, right? And when we put in Lucidity in this customer, it went from 100 days of effort to 2 days of effort.